So right now in a very southern rural area of Bangalore, which is a huge sprawling city. We're in Electronic City Phase 2, staying here for 10 days. The bulk of that will be wedding formalities, wedding events, really excited about that. But in and around that, hoping to capture the Bangalorean people, is that how you say? Just capture the life, hopefully. I'm gonna try and put a focus on the 28mm because I haven't used it. I didn't use it in France. If you saw in the last POV, that was with the 40mm. Is it green or blue? Is it blue? Great. Is it okay? Together? Photo? Come. See. It's okay? So I came here 7 years ago and I was using the Nikon D750, but I really struggled photographing India. And I'm struggling for the same reasons here. When I'm in the city, it's so hard to layer up coherently. There's almost too much, it's too busy, not just with the people, just the colours of the walls, the floors, the traffic. And this time again, it is a struggle, but I think I'm getting a bit more success. That could just be because I'm 7 years older, but luckily when I ask for a photo, when it's kind of I cross that threshold and I ask for a photo, literally everybody is happy to take one. I've had a few instances where they ask for a photo. So if you're thinking of coming to India and you've got fears about doing street photography, don't. Yes, you'll get stared at and you're expected to have a camera. Nice. British pose.
That one, yeah.
It's so British, man. Alright, 3, 2, 1, hang on. You wanna get in?
The circle you get it, take a left from
It's
that.
on the right side.
On the right hand side you find it.
Great. Little bit of sun. Look at the back.
काय सापडून
Don't go, man. Don't sit there.